Welcome back to the show. Today we're talking about something people get wrong constantly. The belief that opportunity is scarce, that it only comes around once in a while, and if you miss it, that's it.
My guest is Chibuzor Simon, founder of a group of companies spanning healthcare, technology, and digital platforms across 5 countries. Chibuzor, good to have you back.
Good to be here, and I want to challenge that belief right away. Opportunity is not something we have to do away with, and it's not something we have to sit around waiting for either. It's here, right now. The only question is whether you're going to reach out and grab it or watch someone else do it.
A lot of people hesitate, though. They say, I'll start when things are more stable, or I'll wait for the right moment. What do you say to that?
I say the right moment is a myth people used to avoid starting. There will never be a version of Ready that feels completely safe. The people who actually built something aren't the ones who waited for certainty. They're the ones who moved while everyone else was still waiting.
You've been building this library of digital guides for a while now. Where does that stand?
We're 5 guides deep already, covering everything from building real income online to wealth that actually compounds, to getting hired remotely, to building a company in a country you've never lived in, to saving and protecting your first real money safely. And we're not stopping there. Book 6 is already in motion, coming soon, expanding this even further.
So if someone's watching this today, feeling like they've missed their moment, what would you tell them?
You haven't missed anything. The window is open right now. Today, while you're watching this, what's not open forever is your excuse to wait. Every guide I've put out exists so you don't have to figure this out the hard way, the way I did. But a guide sitting unread changes nothing. It's what you do with it that changes your life.
So what's the move right now for someone watching?
Stop waiting for a better time that isn't coming. The link to the digital product is in the comment section below. Go get your step-by-step guide and start building today, not someday. Nobody is coming to hand you the opportunity. It's already sitting right there. Go take it.
Chibuzor Simon, thank you for the urgency today.
Thank you for having me.